Good day, everybody. Kurt with Cruisin Classics here. Introducing a nice quiet 1988 Ford Thunderbird Turbo Coupe. This particular car has 3,520 actual miles. It's basically a new ride. And very well cared for. Beautiful seams, great red color, and once again, basically a new car. And it is loaded. Engine is as clean as a whistle, as you would expect with a 3,500 mile car. It has been babied since new. And that's a 2.3 liter turbo engine. This has the manual 5-speed transmission. And again, beautiful red paint. 4-wheel disc brakes. Has a power, of course, power steering, power windows. Has the Mach One sound system. Tilt wheel, power seats, power locks. She is loaded. And I'm going to repeat it again, 3,500 actual miles. Light and dark gray interior, front and back. Please hang out at the end of the video. I'll have pictures of the interior and the undercarriage and the trunk and the engine compartment. You get a better idea of what you're dealing with here. But it runs just as it should. I mean, like a new car. Straight as an arrow, right off the factory floor. Again, hang out the end of the video, check out the stills we have. Please check us out on Facebook and Instagram. Also, subscribe to us on YouTube. We sure would appreciate that. CruisinClassicsInc.com is our website. Give us a call here as well. You can ask us about this car and any of the others that we have in stock. We'll be glad to help you out in any way that we can. Please go to our website, 1988 Ford Thunderbird Turbo Coupe, and check this baby out. It'll be well worth your time. And as always, thank you from all of us at Cruisin Classics.